Today, I will teach you how to make a very simple and easy delicious Chinese noodle recipe, Chow mein. The ingredients are egg noodles, 1 red pepper, 100g bean sprouts, 1 carrot, 1 spoon sunflower oil, 2 spoons light soy sauce, and 1 spoon oyster sauce. First of all, we need to cut the carrot, red pepper into slices, like this. Make 1 omelette and cut it into slices, like this. Then boil the water, cook the egg noodle for 8 minutes. When the noodle is done, put it into the cold water and dry it for 2 minutes. Now all the preparation is done, we can cook. Heat the pan and put the oil into the pan. Fry all the vegetables for 1 minute. And put noodle into the pan. Use chopstick, mix them together. Put prepared egg and sprouts into the pan. Seasoning with some light soy sauce and oyster sauce. Mix all the ingredients together for 1 minute. And you can turn off the heat. It is ready to serve. Now you have a very delicious chow mein to eat. If you want to add some meat, you can cook the meat before the vegetable and mix them together. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you want more Asian-inspired recipes, please click subscribe below. Thank you for your watching.